What if the secret to aging slowly and staying energized wasn't found in a pill but inside every cell in your body? Meet the mitochondria, tiny powerhouses that generate the energy you need to think, move, and stay alive. They're often overlooked, but growing research shows they play a critical role in aging, disease, and overall vitality. In this video, we'll explore what mitochondria are, how they affect your health, and what you can do to keep them strong and efficient. Let's start with the basics. What are mitochondria? Mitochondria are small structures found in almost every cell in your body. Their main job is to produce energy in the form of ATP adenosine. Think of them as microscopic batteries that keep your body running. Each cell contains hundreds or even thousands of mitochondria, depending on how much energy that cell needs. For example, muscle cells and brain cells have lots of mitochondria because they require more power. But mitochondria do more than just generate energy. They help regulate metabolism, control cell growth and death, and play a role in immunity and cellular repair. In other words, when your mitochondria are healthy, your entire body functions better. When they start to break down, everything suffers. So how do mitochondria relate to aging? That brings us to the mitochondrial theory of aging. This theory suggests that damage to mitochondria over time leads to cellular aging and dysfunction. As we age, mitochondria become less efficient. They produce less energy and generate more free radicals and stable molecules that can damage cells. This mitochondrial decline contributes to many signs of aging, including fatigue, muscle weakness, slower healing, and cognitive decline. It also plays a role in age-related diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. So keeping your mitochondria healthy may be one of the most powerful ways to slow aging and stay energized. Let's break down how mitochondrial dysfunction affects the body. Fatigue. Since mitochondria produce energy when they aren't working properly, fatigue sets in even if you're getting enough sleep. Mitochondrial dysfunction is a common factor in chronic fatigue syndrome. Muscle loss and weakness. Mitochondria are essential for muscle function. When they decline, muscle mass decreases, strength fades, and exercise recovery slows down. Brain fog and memory issues. The brain uses about 20% of your body's energy. If mitochondria can't keep up, you may experience forgetfulness, poor focus, and mental fatigue. Slower metabolism. A drop in mitochondrial activity can reduce your metabolic rate, making it harder to burn fat and maintain a healthy weight. Immune dysfunction. Mitochondria help regulate inflammation and immune responses. When they fail, the immune system becomes less effective and more prone to chronic inflammation. Hormonal imbalance. Mitochondria influence hormone production, including estrogen and testosterone. Dysfunction can contribute to low hormone levels and related symptoms. Aging skin. Collagen production and cellular turnover in the skin are driven by mitochondrial energy. A slowdown can lead to wrinkles, dryness, and sagging. So what causes mitochondrial decline? There are several key factors. Aging. Mitochondria naturally decline with age. Their DNA becomes damaged over time, reducing efficiency and increasing oxidative stress. Poor diet. A diet high in sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can overload mitochondria and damage their structure. Toxins. Environmental toxins like pesticides, heavy metals, and air pollution can impair mitochondrial function. Chronic stress. Long-term stress floods the body with cortisol, which can inhibit mitochondrial energy production. Infections. Some viruses and bacteria can directly interfere with mitochondrial activity. Inactivity. Lack of physical movement leads to fewer and weaker mitochondria, especially in muscles. Poor sleep. Sleep is when the body restores and repairs mitochondria. Chronic sleep deprivation accelerates damage. Now, for the good news, you can support your mitochondria and even promote the growth of new ones. This process is called mitochondrial biogenesis, and it's possible at any age. Here are 10 science-backed ways to keep your mitochondria healthy and strong. Eat a mitochondria-friendly diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. This includes leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, olive oil, and cruciferous vegetables. Limit added sugars, refined carbs, trans fats, and processed foods. Include key nutrients. Certain nutrients are essential for mitochondrial function. These include coenzyme Q10, magnesium, B vitamins, L-carnitine, alpha-lipoic acid, vitamin C and E, selenium. You can get most of these through food, but supplementation may help if you have deficiencies. Exercise regularly. Physical activity increases both the number and efficiency of mitochondria. Aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, and swimming are especially helpful. Strength training also supports mitochondrial health in muscle cells. Try high-intensity interval training. HIIT workouts have been shown to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis. Short bursts of intense effort followed by rest can trigger adaptations that boost energy production. Prioritize quality sleep. Your body restores mitochondria during deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Keep a consistent sleep schedule and create a calming bedtime routine. Practice intermittent fasting. Fasting may promote mitochondrial repair and stimulate new mitochondria growth. Even short fasts or time-restricted eating, like eating within an 8 to 10 hour window, can support mitochondrial health. Reduce oxidative stress. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and protect mitochondria. In addition to eating antioxidant-rich foods, consider herbs like turmeric, green tea, and resveratrol. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol, which increase oxidative damage. Manage stress. Chronic stress damages mitochondria over time. Use techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and time in nature to lower stress levels and support mitochondrial recovery. Avoid environmental toxins. Reduce your exposure to chemicals by choosing clean personal care and cleaning products, using water filters, and avoiding plastic containers. Cold exposure. Brief exposure to cold temperatures, like cold showers or ice baths, has been shown to stimulate mitochondrial activity and biogenesis. Let's recap. Mitochondria are your cell's energy factories. They power everything from your brain and heart to your muscles and metabolism. But over time, and under stress, they break down. This contributes to fatigue, aging, disease, and a general feeling of being run down. The key to vibrant health and longevity may lie in keeping your mitochondria strong, and the steps to do that are surprisingly simple. Eat real food. Move your body. Manage stress. Sleep well. Avoid toxins. The healthier your mitochondria, the healthier you are. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more science-backed wellness content. Let us know in the comments, what's one thing you'll start doing today to support your energy and longevity. Until next time, stay strong, stay energized, and take care of your cells from the inside out.